What happens when social justice in yoga is a collective duty? What does liberation and activism look like through yoga? Recently, we've seen an increase in conversations about the intersection of social justice and yoga. And if you found yourself contemplating these and other related questions, I'm happy you're viewing this video. My name is Natalie Malone. I am a counseling psychology doctoral candidate, researcher, yoga teacher, and CEO of a wellness business committed to centering the needs of people of color. I am so excited to offer you a course called Yoga and Social Justice, Embodying Activism on and off the mat with embodied philosophy. There aren't any special qualifications to take this course. No matter your status or investment in yoga, ranging from wisdom seeker to student to teacher, if you are invested in social justice and collective change work, this course is for you. By taking this course, you'll get 4 videos and over 15 to 20 hours of content ranging from live teaching and demonstration, research, readings, videos, and podcasts. You'll be able to describe how intersectional oppression impacts yoga, reflect on your social identities, develop an embodiment and social justice engagement toolkit, and so much more. I believe it is our duty to do social justice work from a place of love, compassion, and accountability. Please join me in doing this good work, and I look forward to holding space for you.